Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. If you're not familiar with ThreadBeast, I've been getting ThreadBeast for over a year. I want to say it's going on a year now. You'd have to check my other videos. This is my 10th referral box. Yes, 10th referral box, free. Supposedly $50 value is included in each one of these boxes. How it works is go sign up for even like their cheapest like premium box. I always try the premium. I tried the baller boxes and stuff like that. Try them out, and what happens, they give you a referral link. Check the link out in the video description below. What happens is when you click on the link, it's going to bring up a website. On that website, it's going to give you a code and another link. The thing is that code is only going to be good for 24 hours. It's going to give you free extra $50 or $150. It gives you a good amount of extra free stuff. I think it's like $50 of free clothing in your box. Then you'll get your referral link, and then you can do a video like I did and many other people have done. And then you just start getting these free every month. The trick is you have to tell everybody, click the link in the video description. A code is going to come up with another link. Click that other link, use the code, you get your discount. If you don't follow that process of link, use the code, use the other link, you don't get anything. The other trick is it seems like you only get a referral box every 3 months. So I know I've successfully had over 20 something people sign up. I've had probably over 50 people sign up, but supposedly I've only gotten about 20 something successful, but I haven't gotten 20 something boxes yet. This is my 10th one. I don't know how many I'll get. I'll keep recording and sharing these videos with you every time I get it. Needless to say, it tells you future referrals and all of that other fun stuff. But here's all the cool stuff that this month came with, and we'll see what you think. I love socks. Seems like every one of them comes with socks because, well, I like socks. Hawaiian style, like summer, which I don't mind. I wear them with my dress clothes. Then we got what looks like a sweatshirt and a shirt, and this looks very plain. Tommy Hilfiger. So just a plain Jane Tommy Hilfiger. Am I saying that right? Tommy Pull My Finger or Tommy Hilfiger. So when you're doing the sign up process, it's going to ask you for like what styles you like. It's going to give you a bunch of different options of what style. Oh, I like that. It's going to give you a bunch of different style options that you like. Colorful, boring, dull, bold, type of pants you wear, shorts, shoes. It asks all these different crazy styles. And you select all your sizes and you let them know, and then they style something for you. And if you don't like it, I think you're kind of screwed. No, they have like I guess a one-time for each box. I have like a one-time, like you send it back to them and then replace it. I don't know if that's changed. You'll have to read their requirements if they do refunds or whatever. But honestly, if you just do one unboxing, get their referral out there, you can just get tons and tons of free clothes every month or every 3 months. Just get a random box full of clothes. So that's everything that this referral came with. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out whatever video YouTube recommends to you and try it out. Even if it's just the basic premium. So far I've used their shoes. I've worn some of their clothing. Out of like all the stuff I've worn, I've probably worn about half of it. The other half I've given away to the Philippines, or it's in a care box to go to the Philippines. But bye.